In the previous video, we created this really cool scrolling background that scrolls infinitely at the clouds moving by. And now we want to add the floor. We want that to move faster. So what I've done is I've created the floor here. It's actually an image that is 1000 pixels wide by 300 pixels high, but I've only just done the bottom around 50 pixels here for the floor, and the rest of it is transparent. So this is a transparent background. And then I've duplicated it and made it twice as wide so that I can use the scrolling background technique. And so the first thing I need to do in my program is actually upload that here. So I called it ground.png. So upload that, and now I can create a second sprite here. And I might just duplicate these two lines because I want to do the same thing I did for the distant background, but this time I'm just going to call it ground, and I'm going to use the ground.png. It's also going to start there, and then I want to call it ground speed, and I want this to be much faster. So let's try -5. We can play around with it. And now I want to do the same things I did with these backgrounds, so I can copy all this as well. And I'm going to paste this in here. And instead of distant background, I'm going to draw the ground, move the ground by not distant background speed, but by background speed. I'm going to check if it is less than 1000 and move it. So it's identical. But let's put some comments in here. Draw the distant background, and here I'll put a comment in. Draw the ground. Okay, so now I should have, let's see it. Awesome. And you see that depth perception here. This looks much closer, that looks much further away because of that speed. Alright, that is awesome. I'm really happy with that. Hopefully you are too, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we will introduce our hero. See you then. Bye.